Now that we have 2 out of the 3 actions a user can take completed, let's move on to the final action, using a potion. Because of this if statement, when the answer is not attack, it moves to elif, making the answer defend. All we need to do now, because we know that the answer is not attack or defend, otherwise these would have actually run, is we can put an else, being our final answer. So here, we have a little bit of things to consider. First of all, we obviously know that when the hero uses a potion, then they gain HP. For this instance, we're going to say that the hero will gain 15 HP for their potion. However, we have to first check to see if the hero even has potions to use, because remember, they have only a limited amount of potions. So, what we first can do is we can check if hero.potions is greater than 0, then that means that the hero has potions. We first can increase the hero's HP by 15. Just like this. Then also, since the hero used their potion, we have to decrease their potion count by 1, because they just used 1. And finally, let's print out to the user what actually happened. We will say that hero.name, which will be hero, heals for 15 HP. And now that we're here, let's also let them know how many potions they have left. They have hero.potions, and remember, we have to put this in the string function because potions is an integer. Potions left. Now, we need to make sure that we don't let the hero heal if they don't have any potions, but we should also let them know that they just wasted their turn. So if the hero does not have any potions, which we can do is else, we can just let the user know that hero.name is out of potions. Let's go see how this runs in our program. If we use potion, we see that we healed for 15 and have 1 potion left, but the enemy hit us for 10 damage, which means that we only really gained 5 HP. If we use another potion, then we gain another 5 HP. However, if we try using the potion again, then we're out of potions. We don't heal anymore, and we take 10 damage. Now that we've done this, we are almost done with our game. Since we've made the user uses a potion script, the user can now do all of the 3 actions that we've let them do, or that we said that we'd let them do. So now all we need to do is check at the very end of the game to see who won the actual battle. We can do this simply by checking to see who still has health left. So, if the hero.hp is greater than 0, then we know that because the actual condition on the while loop says that the while loop will continue running so long as both of them have greater than 0 HP. When the while loop finally ends right over here, then we know that one of them has to have 0 HP, or less. So, if the hero still has HP remaining, we know that they've won, and we can let the user know with a print statement, congratulations. And just for fun, let's add the hero name just one last time. Now, what about if the hero does not have greater than 0 HP? In this case, let's check if the enemy.hp is greater than 0 to see if they are still standing. In this case, that means that the hero lost, and we need to let the user know that they should probably try again. Now, finally, there is the pretty rare, but definitely a case that we need to consider, tie. Let's just say that both of the hero and the enemy both have 5 health left at the beginning of one round. If they both deal some damage to each other, then they both technically can be brought beneath 0 at one time. In that case, where neither the hero nor the enemy has greater than 0 HP, we know that it's a tie, and so we should let the user know that. At this point, our program is totally done. Let's go see if we can't test it out. We can easily test our program by pressing run, and just for convenience, once this actually pops up, we will press the open in a new tab, just so we can see everything in full. As you can see, hero has 25 HP left and the enemy has 40. Let's try attacking first. Hero hit the enemy for 15 damage, and the enemy hit the hero for 10. Well, we have 15 health and they have 25. At this point, let's try defending. We defend, meaning that the enemy hits us for 0 damage, just like we coded. Let's try attacking again. We're getting a little low, but so is the enemy. Let's go see if we can't use both of our potions. The hero heals for 15, but still take 10, meaning I only really healed for 5 HP. Since I have one more potion, I'll use it, meaning I have 0 potions left, but I have 15 HP. If I attack one final time, I know I have 5 HP left, and I've won. If I refresh this, let's try a little bit of a worse scenario. Let's say that I use both of my potions off the bat, but I accidentally forget how many I have left, and so I use my last potion when I don't have one. That puts me at an automatic disadvantage. I can try attacking, and maybe I'll even use another potion again. I'm only at 15 HP, so I can try attacking, but I was too low health and they had too much, meaning that the enemy won. Finally, let's test the tie case. If we do attack, attack, and because I do 15 damage and he does 10, if I attack one more time, then that would bring us both down below 0, saying it's a tie. Okay everyone, by this point, you all should have basic working battle simulations. As you can see, you can change any of these values and try out different combinations. Since you made the fighter class, you can even make even more than 2 fighters, or better yet, if you want to challenge yourself, see if you can't use the input function right here that we discussed in class in order to see if you can't ask the user to enter this information for you. That way, you can even have 2 people right next to each other, make their own characters, and then have them battle it out. With this in mind, I hope you all had a good time. We're able to learn a little bit more about classes, about string addition, and about the radio button, and just a bit of a refresher on while loop. It's been a lot of fun, and I wish you all good luck, and have a great time coding.